How to open Barclays Bank account online. So if you want to open the Barclays Bank account online, then what you need to do is first open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and go with the search and search for Barclays Bank account online. And once you search for it, here you will have open a bank account online from Barclays Bank. Click on that and it will take you to the website. Now you just need to simply go with the login option, which is on the upper right. And here you will have the register now option. Click on register now to open your account. Once you go with the register, now here it says what you need to open your Barclays account. So who can register? To register, you'll need to have to live in the UK. You should be aged 16 or over 16 and have either a Barclays current account with a bank card, a savings account, or a mortgage, or be a merchant customer. If you're not any one of these, or if you don't live in the UK, if you're not the above age of 16, then you won't be able to register or open your Barclays Bank account. So make sure that you meet the criteria. And if you're a business customer, you can go with register for business online banking. But if you're not, and if you want to go with the personal, then you can go with start, which is on the bottom right. Once you go with start, now here you will have 3 steps. The first one is your details. So you just need to simply enter your name, your date of birth, your postcode, and then your account details, like if you want a current or savings account or mortgage account, merchant, and you just need to simply enter the short code. This is a 6-digit number on the front of your debit or your authentication card. So you just need to simply enter the number and your card number. This is the 16-digit on the front of your debit or authentication card. If you don't have one of these, you can order one by simply clicking on contact us. And you just need to simply enter your contact details, which is the email address, and you can again confirm your email address. And if you want to receive the email notifications, you can simply click on it and then go with next. Once you go with next, now if your information is wrong, then it will give you this red color interface on which you just need to simply remove it and then again enter a new information or genuine information. And after that, once you go with next, then it will take you to the second step where it will review your information. And once you review, you can simply go with the next, which is third one, in which you will complete the registration. So in this way, you will be able to register for online banking on your Barclays Bank account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.